Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the media creation tool if it's stuck at 0% while downloading Windows. The first thing you should do is run the media creation tool with administrator rights. Close the tool if it's already open, then right-click the media creation tool file and select Run as administrator. This gives the tool the permissions it needs to download and create Windows installation files properly. Next, make sure you have enough free storage space. Your Windows system drive should have at least 16 GB of available space. If you're creating a bootable USB, make sure the USB drive has at least 10 GB of free space and back up any important files on it, because it may be erased during the process. Another solution is to clear temporary and cached update files. Press Windows plus R, type %temp%, and press Enter. Delete the temporary files inside the folder. After that, open the C drive and go to the Windows folder. After that, open the Software Distribution folder and delete everything inside the Download folder. These files are only cached update data, and Windows will recreate them automatically. Now restart your computer and run the Media Creation tool again. If the Media Creation tool still refuses to download, you can skip it completely by downloading the official Windows ISO file and using Rufus to create a bootable USB instead. Thanks for watching.